Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel your Adobe Acrobat subscription. So if you no longer need Adobe Acrobat, so then you can of course cancel your subscription through your Adobe account. So the exact process depends on where you originally purchased your subscription. So 99% of people purchased it directly from Adobe websites or from Adobe app, right? So if you did, you will need to sign into your Adobe account and then just go to the plans section. And to get through it, you will need to click right here, your profile icon on the top right, and then just go with manage my account, and then you will get forwarded into that website, right? So here where you can explore the plans or explore the plans that suit you, right? So currently on my current region, I can't actually and unfortunately be able to visualize the plans of Adobe, right? So for you here, you will find the plan section, then just select manage plan next to your Acrobat subscription, and under the available actions, choose cancel your plan. And then just review the cancellation details and select continue to cancel. And of course, you will need to provide them and choose a reason for canceling and select confirm cancellation. And then guys, you will need to check your email for a cancellation confirmation. So your account's plans page should also show that the subscription has been canceled as well. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.